Hello everyone, welcome to the EasyEDA tutorial. EasyEDA is an exquisite and small online EDA tool. It is very simple. You can learn and design a PCB in a short time. More than that, SPICE simulation is also supported in EasyEDA. EasyEDA is a web-based software. As long as you open the browser and connect to the network, you can begin your PCB design. We recommend that using Chrome to use our software. You can enter easyeda.com to visit our page. There are already 1.47 million engineers using our software. We provide more than 1 million free libraries including schematic symbols, PCB footprints, and component 3D models. You can click here to download a small client according to your system. Then you can start your software on your desktop. If you encounter any problems during installation, you can click here to enter our community for help. Click here to enter the editor. If you don't have an account, you can click on Register in the upper right corner and follow the instruction to register. After registering and logging in, you can start using the EasyEDA. We recommend that you check our document tutorial before using it to familiarize yourself with the workflow of EasyEDA and the solution to common problems. You can click here to check our video tutorial. We also provide a community. If you encounter any problems, you can come here to ask any questions and communicate. This is our open source platform. You can share your project here. There are also some examples at the bottom. This is schematic, and this is the PCB. Very nice. There are some common components on the left, and different footprints can be selected through the pull-down menu. If you can't find the components you want here, you can look up it in the library. We'll start our EasyEDA tutorial in the next video. Goodbye.